Inside a fully automated cake factory, producing millions of cakes every year is not simply a matter of mixing ingredients and putting them into an oven. Behind every cake that reaches a customer is a highly organized industrial process where advanced machinery, strict quality control, and human expertise work together to create the same perfect result again and again. Every day, huge quantities of ingredients enter this facility, beginning a journey that transforms simple raw materials into finished cakes ready for consumers around the world. Although the final product may look simple, the manufacturing process behind it involves precision, timing, technology, and thousands of carefully controlled steps. The journey begins with the arrival of raw materials. Essential ingredients such as flour, sugar, eggs, milk, oils, chocolate, flavoring ingredients, and other specialized components are delivered to the factory. Before entering production, every ingredient goes through detailed inspection and testing to ensure it meets strict food safety and quality requirements. In a factory producing millions of cakes, consistency is one of the biggest challenges. Customers expect the same taste, texture, and appearance every time they purchase the product. To achieve this level of consistency, every ingredient must be measured with extreme accuracy, and every stage of production must follow carefully controlled standards. After approval, ingredients move into the preparation area. Instead of being manually measured and transported, modern factories use advanced automated systems that handle these tasks with incredible precision. Computer-controlled equipment ensures that the exact amount of every ingredient is delivered according to the recipe. The next stage is the creation of the cake batter. Large industrial mixing machines combine all ingredients together inside massive mixing chambers. These machines are designed to process large quantities of material while maintaining the correct speed and timing required for the perfect consistency. The mixing process is much more complex than simply combining ingredients. The factory must carefully control factors such as mixing speed, temperature, and duration. Even a small variation can affect the final texture and quality of the cake. This is why automated systems continuously monitor the process and maintain the exact conditions required for production. Once the batter reaches the correct consistency, it moves to the portioning stage. Automated filling machines carefully distribute equal amounts of batter into individual molds. Each cake receives the same quantity, ensuring that every product has the same size, weight, and structure. This stage shows one of the biggest advantages of automation. A human worker can create a cake manually, but producing millions of identical products requires a level of speed and accuracy that can only be achieved through advanced industrial systems. After filling, the cakes travel through the production line toward large industrial baking systems. These ovens are one of the most important parts of the factory. Inside these massive baking chambers, hundreds or thousands of cakes can be processed at the same time under carefully controlled conditions. Temperature, airflow, and baking duration are constantly monitored. Even a small change during this stage can affect the texture, color, and quality of the final product. Sensors and computer systems help maintain the ideal baking environment so that every batch produces the same result. When the baking process is complete, the cakes leave the ovens and enter the cooling section. This stage is essential because cakes cannot immediately move into decoration and packaging while they are still hot. They must cool gradually to maintain their structure, texture, and quality. Automated cooling systems allow products to move through controlled environments where the temperature is reduced efficiently while keeping the production line operating continuously. Once cooled, the cakes move to the decoration and finishing stages. Depending on the product type, machines may add cream layers, chocolate coatings, fillings, toppings, or decorative patterns. Modern decorating systems can perform detailed work at remarkable speed. Designs that appear simple on the surface may actually require highly precise machines working continuously to create the same appearance across thousands of products. However, producing millions of cakes is not only about speed. Quality control remains one of the most important parts of the entire operation. Throughout the factory, advanced inspection systems monitor products at different stages to identify possible issues before they reach customers. High-resolution cameras and sensors examine cakes for their size, shape, color, and overall appearance. If a product does not meet the required standards, automated systems can remove it from the production line immediately. Behind these automated processes are engineers, technicians, and production specialists who monitor the entire operation. They make sure machines are functioning correctly, production targets are achieved, and safety standards are maintained. Automation does not replace human expertise. Instead, it allows skilled workers to manage larger and more complex production systems. Engineers can focus on improving efficiency, maintaining equipment, analyzing production data, and solving technical challenges. Beyond the visible production line, another important system operates behind the scenes, the factory's digital control network. Modern food factories rely on advanced software that connects different stages of production together. From ingredient preparation to final packaging, computer systems collect information, monitor performance, and help operators maintain a smooth and efficient workflow. Every stage generates valuable data, including mixing times, baking temperatures, production speed, and packaging performance. This information allows factory teams to identify problems quickly and make adjustments before they affect the final product. By using real-time monitoring systems, the factory can maintain high production standards while reducing waste and improving efficiency. Food safety is also a major priority inside these facilities. Strict hygiene procedures are followed throughout the factory to protect product quality. Equipment is regularly cleaned, production areas are carefully controlled, and workers follow detailed safety procedures to maintain a clean manufacturing environment. Another impressive part of the process is the coordination between different sections of the factory. Every stage is connected, from preparation and baking to decoration and packaging. A delay in one area could affect the entire production line, which is why automation systems help maintain a continuous and balanced flow. After passing all quality checks, the cakes move into the packaging area. Here, automated machines carefully place each product into protective packaging designed to maintain freshness and quality. Packaging systems add labels, product information, manufacturing dates, and expiration details automatically. Each package is checked before leaving the factory to ensure it is ready for distribution. The factory also faces another major challenge: logistics. Millions of finished cakes must be stored, organized, and transported efficiently. Distribution systems ensure that products reach supermarkets, restaurants, and customers while maintaining freshness and quality. From the first delivery of raw ingredients to the final packaged cake, the entire process represents a combination of food science, industrial engineering, automation, and human expertise. A modern cake factory is not just a place where desserts are produced. It is a carefully designed manufacturing system where thousands of individual steps must work together perfectly. Every machine movement, every measurement, and every quality check contributes to creating a product that millions of people enjoy every day. What appears to be a simple cake on a store shelf is actually the result of a remarkable journey involving advanced technology, precise manufacturing, and teamwork. Behind every bite is a world of engineering and innovation, where simple ingredients are transformed into a finished product through one of the most advanced food production systems in the world. This is the hidden world inside a fully automated cake factory, where precision, technology, and craftsmanship come together to produce millions of cakes every day.